Since the launch of GPT, we have seen that a lot of LLMs has been launched which are helping users to do natural language processing. In this era of generative AI, we have seen that a lot of platforms integrating AI to their businesses so that they can stay online for their customers when they are sleeping. Help you integrate any kind of AI solution to your existing platform so that you can take benefits from this modern AI technologies. We can integrate AI to your existing platforms so that your customer has better experience next time. For example, we can have AI calls, AI chatbots that will respond to your customer 24/7. We can do a lot of other stuff with the help of AI. For example, like booking meetings with your clients, generating content for your agencies, AI suggesting other stuff like products to your clients, to your users, so that they can buy according to their needs. They can suggest a color to the AI, they can suggest the size they are looking for, so that the AI will respond them and gather them product they are looking for. You guys can reach me anytime. I charge for only code, not for the advice. At the end, I want to say this: your business shouldn't sleep while you do. Let the AI help you.